What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite crypto bridge. I think it's one of the best and one of the cheapest crypto bridges out there that I've found. But before I show you the project, you just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So the project, it's called RocketX, and it's one-stop shop for crypto swaps. They have so many different assets and they work between so many different chains. So if we go to their website, and as you can see, seamless uniting blockchain, and it's a non-custodial, and the interface is going to look like this. And then if we go to the next page, as you can see, this is some of the things you can do. You can buy different cryptocurrencies, convert and exchange pairs, and then bridge. And then if we're actually going to pull up the actual app, this is what is it going to look like. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to connect wallet. And then in here, here's what you can do. So first, we have to choose which coin we're going to be using to transfer to whatever chain. So in this case, I chose Binance because this is where I have few bucks. Or if you want to choose something else, just press on here and choose any chain that's available. They have so many different chains. Most likely you can find the one you're looking for. So it's either press all, EVM, IBC, and others. And in my case, I'm just gonna leave BNB. And then if you have BNB or ETH or something and you're trying to swap something, then choose another chain here. By default, I set to Ethereum, or you can change it. You can scroll down. As you can see, there's Aptos, AVAX, Moonbeam, OKC. And then if we scroll even down, there's actually a different type of chains, not just EVM chains, Polygon, SU, and then they have Ripple, they have Costa, Stellar, Cardano, you name it. A lot of it's here. I'm sure not every single one of them, but most of them that you're going to be looking for, it's here. So once you chose the chain, then you set the amount, how much you like to, or set the max. I just set 0.01. And then you'll have to press on swap. There's also another thing, you can read all the details, how this is gonna work, how much you're gonna save, the price of each coin, and the platform fee. If you are actually swapping out from Ethereum to BNB or something else, the platform fee is not gonna be zero. It's gonna be either a couple cents or maybe $2. It all depends how much you're swapping. And then here's also another thing, recipient address. If you're gonna toggle the switch, let's say for example, if you would like to swap from this to maybe another address, then you just press on here and you change the address here and then you save it. Or by default, it's just gonna, for example, if you're swapping from Binance to Ethereum, it's gonna use the same address, just gonna be a different chain. So once you set all this up and you're ready to swap, just press on swap. This window is gonna appear, put a check mark next to I agree, and then accept and proceed. And then this is gonna load. It's gonna try to find and validate the transaction. And then your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using is going to pop up, and you just have to press on continue to proceed. I'm just going to press on reject for right now. The new page is going to appear, and there's going to be like a little progress bar. One thing though, this process could take from 5 to 15 minutes. So this is one downside. It's not the fastest, but it has almost all of the chains out there. And I think, in my opinion, this is one of the cheapest way to actually swap between chains and purchase any kind of other cryptocurrencies. Also, they have a couple other options. If you go to more, you can fiat on-ramp, and they have different companies that they work with. I haven't used this function. I only use the swap to transfer money between chains, so I won't have to use centralized exchange anymore. And this is pretty much it. Link to this dApp I'm gonna leave in the description below. And hopefully this video was helpful to you and you're going to be able to make some swaps without using centralized exchange. Thanks for watching.